Okay, perfect. So Chitra has given me a go ahead. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
So
morning,
how
doctor.
was your day yesterday? Good morning, Manisha.
Great. Good morning.
Great. So कल किस किसने अपनी एक्सरसाइज की ग्रैटिट्यूड की?
I have done, ma'am.
I did.
Great. So Chitra has shared her exercises with me. So Chitra, I will now have a look at those, right?
Even I shared, ma'am. I sent it to you.
Okay. So I'm truly blessed to have. Chitra, can you read what you wrote?
Yeah, I'll do. I am truly blessed to have Srishti and Siddharth in my life, for it is because of them I have been able to enjoy the joys
I
of
can't hear
motherhood.
you. Just a minute, Chitra. Yes, please now say.
I am truly blessed to have Srishti and Siddhartha in my life, for it is because of them I have been able to enjoy the joys of motherhood.
Okay. Very right.
I am thankful for having been in coma because that is why I learned the value of coming back to life.
Right.
I am truly grateful for the divorce as it helped me learn to believe truly in the divine and go with the flow. I am so happy and grateful for the wonderful friends I have in my life as they are the ones who make me feel supported. With all my heart, I thank you for all the wonderful gurus, teachers I got in my life because of whom I have been able to seek guidance. I'm truly blessed to have Rajan in my life who has shown me.
Chitra, Chitra,
Yeah,
yeah. Chitra, just hold on. Very right. But Chitra, something more emotional. See, the more you feel,
okay,
the more it realizes.
sure,
Right? So it's a good start.
okay,
It's a good start. At least you have listed your areas where you want gratitude to, energize those areas.
sure,
ठीक है. अब जब आप रोज लिखोगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर द डाइवोर्स बिकॉज इट अलाउड मी फॉर दिस, फाइन, कोई फीलिंग नहीं है. देन gratitude to your husband, to your ex husband.
hmm,
ठीक है. Something positives about it,
okay,
because that is going to then fill the whole thing, neutralize it, and then bring it up.
sure, got it, got it.
Right? Yes, you read the other ones also.
I'm truly blessed to have Rajan in my life who has shown me the meaning of unconditional support. I'm truly grateful to all the doctors in my life because it was they who helped me towards my healing journey. I'm so happy and grateful to my teachers who helped me to develop the ever learning
So
attitude.
yeah, so Chitra, again, teachers, doctors, no,
Okay,
doctor so and so, because she or he did so and so. Ab
okay,
jitna, so again coming back to, I think my first class, I will share the video with you, Chitra. आप जितना ज्यादा अपना ऑर्डर क्लियर रखोगे यूनिवर्स में,
okay,
ठीक है, what we all have to do in the coming days.
sure, got
Okay.
it.
I, even if somebody, I'm so grateful to the day that I met Dr. Preeti on this date, because this happened. Jitna zyada precise, even if you know the time, the more you get into that situation in real time, the more benefit or you will be able to create it for yourself.
Sure, got it.
है ना? Yes.
I'll understand.
Last ones.
So the last one was, of course, the last one I was like, I'm truly blessed to have Dr. Preeti in my life because of whom I am having this opportunity through this gratitude journey.
Perfect. Thank you. Manisha, did you write?
Yes, doctor, I did.
So if you can read your 2, 3. I just want to see whether we are at the same page where we should be.
Okay, one moment, doctor. So I have written a gratitude for Amit, my husband. Uh,
Wow.
it is basically on the same lines as Chitra just read out. So maybe it's not as specific as I should be writing. I've written, I'll be ever grateful to my hubby for always being by my side and making me enjoy life. Thank you, Amit, for loving me, my mom, and my sister as much as you love.
Right. What else?
Okay. The second one is thank you, universe, for blessing me with a good job where I enjoy working, which has helped me and my family lead a good life with all the comforts that we require.
Right, exactly. तो इसको ना मनीषा थोड़ा और डेप्थ में,
Mm-hmm.
right? For example, the last one.
Mm-hmm.
कोई ना, so इसका तरीका क्या है? How you can get more precise is think of that real moment.
Okay. Okay.
ठीक है. अब Amit would have shown so many times that he loves you, he cares for you, your sister, your mom, right? So that's a generic statement. But if you get into that situation, that one day, maybe yesterday, he got up and your mom was asking for, wanted water. She had not even asked for it and Amit was there to give it to her.
Correct. Correct.
Right? So, जितनी छोटी चीज को आप एक्शन को अप्रिशिएट कर पाओगे ना, उतना ज्यादा आप उस स्पेस में होगे, उतना ज्यादा आप उसको फील करोगे, उतना ज्यादा आप उसको ग्रैटिट्यूड दे पाओगे.
Got it. Got it.
Right? Yes.
Yeah.
But very good start. Yes, Tanvi.
Okay. Again, it's not very specific, but I'll do it. I'm very grateful to my family because they really love me and only want the best for me at all times and guide me. I'm very grateful to my room because I get privacy to create, be, and it is a beautiful sanctuary for me. I'm grateful to my eyes, glasses, and contacts because together they allow me to see, observe, and express. I'm very
Very
grateful.
good. So again, yes, great. So Tanvi, just a small tip. So ये 3 थे, है ना? फैमिली में भी अगर हर मेंबर को आप अलग से ग्रैटिट्यूड दे पाओगे तो वो और ज्यादा, ठीक है? तो जब भी आप ग्रैटिट्यूड लिख रहे हो, है ना, द ओनली थिंग वी हैव टू रिमेंबर इज क्या ये ऑर्डर शेफ को समझ में आ रहा है कि मुझे, क्या यूनिवर्स को ये पता चल रहा है कि दिस इज द टाइम, डे एंड मिनट आई वांट मोर एंड मोर इन माय लाइफ. अगर आप उस टाइम, मिनट, मोमेंट को बिल्कुल डिफाइन कर पाओगे कि यार आपने यूनिवर्स को विजुअलाइज करा दिया वो, राइट? तो कोई भी आपको ये सिचुएशन नहीं आ सकती कि आप यार हो ना आपकी लाइफ में वो चीज, राइट? ठीक है. सो आज हमको फिर से ये लिखना है. ये लिस्ट तो हमारी परमानेंट टू डू है फॉर द डेज वी आर मीटिंग. वी हैव 27 more days, right? What is the best time to write this gratitude?
As soon as you wake up or after.
Exactly. So you can either do it before our class or immediately after class. Right? नम्रता जी, आपने लिखे?
Yeah, I've written, ma'am. हाँ, लिखा है मैम.
हाँ, तो आप पढ़ोगे एक दो या अभी बेबी के साथ थोड़ा मुश्किल है?
नहीं, मैं पढ़ सकती हूँ. मैंने आपके लिए लिखा है. With all my heart, thank you, Dr. Preeti, for being my doctor, mentor, guide, counselor. Your care has made me a more happy and hopeful and healthy person.
Thank you, Namrita ji. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And for my husband, I'm so happy and grateful for understanding, caring, and supportive hubby, as this gives me the confidence and space to carry on with my life in my own way.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. तो अब ना नम्रता जी, जैसे आज आपने लिखा ना हबी के लिए, ठीक है, आपने इसको एलैबोरेट करना है. विल बी डेज जब आप चुन सकते हो कि यार आप आज स्पाउस के लिए करोगे या आज आप डॉटर के लिए करोगे, ठीक है. तो वो ना शुरू में थोड़े इंपॉर्टेंट रिलेशनशिप्स के लिए करना. एंड अभी कमिंग डेज में एक एक्सरसाइज आएगी, बड़ी ब्यूटीफुल एक्सरसाइज है, विच यू विल enjoy. We will deeper into this practice. Perfect. So who is going to read today? आज कौन रीड कर रहा है?
I can go.
चित्रा?
Yeah, I can go.
Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Okay. Sorry. What I did was I allowed you to share your screen. Good. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Great. Wow. So day 2, the magic rock. आपको इस इमेज में क्या दिख रहा है?
एक बेसिकली एक रॉक जिसके चारों तरफ वो मैजिक स्पार्कल.
Just a simple room with books on the table, right? Yes, चित्रा जी.
Yeah.
हाँ, मैजिक स्पार्कल कर रहे हैं. Very good. Yes, चित्रा जी.
Yeah. Reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty, not on your past misfortunes, of which all men have some. Written by Charles Dickens, a writer.
So, did you note how beautifully Charles Dickens has used the words plenty and some? Right?
Beautiful.
है ना? Reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty. Right? We all, the biggest blessing we have is we are alive in this beautiful world. ना? And हम सबने सुना हुआ है ना, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder.
Correct.
एंड दैट इज सो ट्रू. आज आप खुश हो तो आपको सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा लगता है. एंड आज आप अंदर से यू डिसाइडेड कि या ग्रेटिट्यूड में नहीं रहोगे या हैप्पी नहीं रहोगे तो आपको कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. यस?
Correct.
या. सो रिफ्लेक्ट अपॉन योर प्रेजेंट ब्लेसिंग्स, ऑफ विच एवरी मैन हैज प्लेंटी, नॉट ऑन योर पास्ट मिसफॉर्च्यून्स, ऑफ विच ऑल मैन हैव सम. भाई जिंदगी जियोगे तो कुछ ना कुछ तो आना ही है. राइट? यस.
In the beginning of working with these practices, it takes concentrated days in a row to make gratitude a habit. Anything that reminds you to be grateful is helping you turn your life into gold with gratitude, and that's exactly what this magical practice is about. Lee Browser presented the gratitude rock practice in the Secret film and book when he told us the story of the father of a dying child who used a gratitude rock to be grateful for his son's health, and his son made a miraculous recovery. Since then, the gratitude rock has.
So, who all remember this story in The Secret? We all have watched The Secret.
Yes, I remember.
Anybody else? So, जिसको नहीं याद है, please आज Secret दोबारा देखना. So, basically what happens is इसका बेटा is almost on the deathbed, right? And he calls one of his friends and says, can you send me a secret rock? And he sends him and his son recovers. And after that, you know, he gives it to so many people. Right. Chitra ji, yes.
Yeah, been a proven success with many people the world over who have used it for money, healing, and happiness. So first, find a rock or a stone. Choose a
This is
small.
this is for all of you. Now this is the exercise for today. Please ध्यान से सुनो.
First, find a rock or a stone. Choose a small size that fits in the palm of your hand and that you can close your fingers around. Choose a rock that is smooth, without sharp edges, not too weighty, and that feels really good in your hand when you hold it. You can find a magic rock from your garden if you have one, or from a riverbed, creek, ocean, or park. If you don't have easy access to any of these places, then ask your neighbors, family, or friends. You may even have a precious rock or stone already that you can use as your magic rock.
Beautiful. So what you all have to do today is आप नीचे जाओगे एंड एक छोटा सा पत्थर ढूंढोगे जो कि आपके हाथ में आराम से फिट हो जाए. एंड रिमेंबर इट्स अ नॉर्मल स्टोन. कोई मैजिकल ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको स्टोन कुछ ढूंढना है. यू हैव द पावर टू मेक इट मैजिकल. यस चित्रा जी.
Yeah. When you have found your magic rock, put it by your bedside in a place where you will definitely see it when you go to bed. Clear some space if necessary so that you can easily see your magic rock when you go to bed. If you use an alarm clock, put it next to your alarm clock. Tonight, just before you get into bed to go to sleep, pick up your magic rock. Hold it in the palm of one hand and close your fingers around it. Think back carefully through all the good things that happened during the day and find the best thing that happened that you are grateful for. Then say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened. Return the magic rock to its place by your bed, and that's it.
So is this doable?
Very much.
Yes,
And what will this do?
It will probably energize the rock.
it'll put us in a very good and positive mind space ending the day, and it'll make us grateful for, and it'll make us think about all the good things that happen.
एग्जैक्टली. नहीं तो जनरली क्या होता है, हम लोगों की ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी पता है क्या होती है. आज किसी ने हमें थोड़ा सा रूडली बोल दिया, या आज हमें किसी ने वो नहीं किया जो हम चाहते थे वो करे, राइट, और हम हर्ट हो गए. हम पूरा टाइम उसके बारे में सोचते रहते हैं. यस और नो? क्योंकि उसका
Yes,
इम्पैक्ट
ma'am,
बहुत ज्यादा
very
होता है.
much.
आज कोई काम नहीं हुआ हमारा जो करना था, राइट, कोई पेमेंट रुक गई, कोई ऑर्डर नहीं दे पाए. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट हैपेंस एंड देन सडनली अब क्या होता है, जब रात को सोचने लगती हूँ ना, जैसे कल मैं सोच रही थी, I'll tell you this with example. Yesterday what happened, I have two staff in the office, both of them said they won't be able to come yesterday. Okay, now I get this message at 8 from both of them, and I had about 4 consultations, 3 doctors coming from Bombay and Bangalore, and some more work. तो पहले तो मुझे बड़ा गुस्सा आया कि ऐसे अचानक से कैसे. Then मुझे 1 second भी नहीं लगा, and I went into gratitude. I said यार आज मुझे क्या नया सीखने को मिलेगा. And that's what happened. So by the time शाम आई and I took this stone in my hand, my list of good things during the day went on and on and on, and most of them were because वो आए नहीं थे. क्योंकि because there was nobody in the office. My patients helped me get the supplements for themselves. They helped me do that work, वो billing वगैरह का. But they were so good, मैं बता नहीं सकती. इतना मतलब the relationship went to one more level. And then my doctor friends, when they came, we could laugh so much because कोई था ही नहीं ऑफिस में. And we thought that this is so good कि नहीं हो रहा है कुछ. And evening when I was about to come back home, there was this article, one of my patients sent me this newspaper cutting with my photo on it. I didn't know that this would come. So then I got so many messages, and उसके बाद में रात को my kids did such a cute thing. One of younger sons cooked food. तो मेरा list good things का खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा था. And I was like यार यहाँ तो स्कोप ही नहीं है कुछ भी और सोचने का. जो भी कुछ और हुआ वो worthwhile था ही नहीं. Just because the way I think now is starting to change. And मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ starting to change? क्योंकि मुझे अभी 6-7 महीने हुए इस एक्सरसाइज को करते हुए. And I know I can go much more deep into this. But बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. And as Tanvi said, then what happens is आप पूरी एक स्माइल के साथ सो दो और सुबह स्माइल के साथ ही उठते हो. Yes, Chitra. I'm sure you all are excited to have a similar feeling tomorrow morning, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Yes, Chitra.
Yeah. Every night for the next 26 days, follow the same magic rock practice. Before you go to sleep, think back through the day and find the best thing that happened that day. While holding your magic rock in your hand, be as grateful as you can be for that thing and say thank you. Using a rock seems like such a simple thing to do, but through this practice, you will see magical things begin to happen in your life.
So यहाँ ना मेरे को एक थॉट आता है जब भी मैं ये लाइन पढ़ती हूँ. Anybody who got something in their mind जब उनको ये लाइन पढ़ी, using a rock seems like such a simple thing to do, but through this practice, you will see magic happening in your life.
This seems like that Aladdin.
Anything which stuck your mind.
Aladdin की genie की तरह.
Exactly. This is an Aladdin genie. What else? Being an Indian, you know, it just strikes you. Anybody? So
हम लोग
मुझे
पत्थर में भी भगवान को देखते हैं मैम.
Exactly. तो मुझे लगा देखो ये तो हमें कब से बोला जा रहा है एंड हम क्वेश्चन करते हैं उस चीज को, राइट? हमारे बच्चे क्वेश्चन करते हैं, इवन हमारी जनरेशन ने भी क्वेश्चन किया है कि हम पत्थर को ही क्यों पूछते हैं. यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
हमें शुरू से बोला गया ये छोटे छोटे से स्क्रिप्चर्स और कुछ कुछ यू नो they have been in our life, in our existence. So the moment I read this, I said, see, it's just that sometimes, you know, you forget doing some beautiful things for some reason. तो this is exactly the same thing. पत्थर में भी भगवान बसते हैं, right? आप जहां पूजा करने लग जाओ वहीं से आपको वो वाली एनर्जी आने लगती है ना? तो अगर आप रोज रात को इस पत्थर से सिर्फ अपने दिन की पॉजिटिव बातें करोगे, आज मैं खाना खा पाई, है ना? मेरे पास आजकल गट में तो सम ऑफ यू वुड नो जो पेशेंट्स आते हैं. सो कल आई हैड अ पेशेंट, आई होपिंग वो वीडियो भेजेगी. शी वॉज you know looking so beautiful as compared to when she had met me 2 months back, and I asked her, I said यार क्या क्या अच्छा हो रहा है? She says मैम जो पेट में पूरा टाइम दर्द होता था ना जिससे खाने में भी डर लगता था, अभी अब थोड़े हेल्दी हो गए. एंड हेयर तो इज द फर्स्ट थिंग विच goes bad and becomes better when our gut is better. So अनफॉर्चुनेटली ना आप लोगों के लिए मेरे मोस्टली एग्जाम्पल्स हेल्थ के ही होंगे. And
We
so
needed the most, ma'am.
I hope you enjoy them because that's where I live. तो मैं जो भी एग्जाम्पल अपनी लाइफ से दूंगी मेजरली वहीं से निकल कर आएंगे. तो इसीलिए मैं सबको ये बात बोलती हूं कि आप सप्लीमेंट्स खाते हो, राइट? आप कुछ भी करते हो, खाना खाते हो, पहले ना एक रिचुअल होता था कि खाने से पहले में बोला जाता था कि आप प्रे करके खाओ. यस और नो?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों बोला जाता था? जस्ट लाइक दिस कि आप एनर्जी देते हो, आप सप्लीमेंट्स खाते हो, आप कोई मेडिसिन खाते हो, अगर आप मुंह बनाकर खा रहे हो, देखो आप जैसी एनर्जी दे रहे हो ना वही आपको मिलेगी. सो यू नो व्हाटएवर यू डू, बढ़िया से एक पत्थर भी ना आपके लिए मैजिक रॉक बन सकता है और होता है. दिस इज सो पावरफुल. एंड जब भी ऐसा कुछ होता है ना, आई फील वेरी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ बीइंग एन इंडियन, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मुझे तो ये सब पहले से ही पता था.
We wait for the West to validate things, ma'am.
I know, but why should we? I think हर बार हमें और कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता जा रहा है ना दोबारा से कि हमसे उन्होंने सीखा है, कोई बात नहीं है, हमें तो पहले से ही पता था. Good. So yes, Chitra.
Yeah. When you look for the best thing that happened during the day, you will search through many good things that happened. And in the process of searching and then deciding on the best one, you are actually thinking of many things you're grateful for. You will also be ensuring that you go to sleep and wake up in gratitude each day. The Count Your Blessings and Magic Rock practices will ensure that you begin and end your days in a state of gratitude. In fact, they are so powerful that together they will change your life in a few months. But this book is designed to change your life really fast through an abundance of magical practices. Because gratitude is magnetic and attracts more things to be grateful for, the concentration of gratitude over 28 days will intensify the magnetic force of your gratitude. When you have a strong magnetic force of gratitude like magic, you will automatically magnetize everything you want and need to you.
Beautiful. Thank you, Chitra, for reading. And you know what this has said? कोई भी मैग्नेट की पावर होती है. Yes?
Yes.
है ना? एंड फॉर 28 डेज अगर हम कॉन्टिन्यूसली ग्रेटिट्यूड देते हैं ना, तो हमारी ये जो प्रैक्टिस है फुल हो जाती है कि फिर ये अपने आप अट्रैक्ट करती रहती है पूरा टाइम ग्रेटिट्यूड. हम आते जाते ग्रेटिट्यूड देते रहते हैं. यस चित्रा,
Yeah.
वी हैव वन मोर पेज.
Magic reminder. Be
No.
sure to read tomorrow's magical practice, okay? The magic practice number 2, the magic rock. Repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice. Number 1, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for what blessing as you can. 2, find a magic rock and put it by your bedside. 3, before going to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in your hand and think of the best thing that happened today. 4, say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened today. Repeat the magic rock practice every night for the next 26 days. And lastly, read tomorrow's magical practice too.
Yes, so tomorrow's magical practice we will read today. Yes.
Tomorrow's magical relationships. Number 1, repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1, which is count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. 2, choose 3 of your closest relationships and collect a photograph of each person. 3, with the photo in front of you, write 5 things you're most grateful for about each person in your journal or on your computer. 4, begin each sentence with the magic words thank you, include their name and what you're specifically grateful for. 5, carry the 3 photographs with you today or put them in a place where you will see them often. Look at the photographs on at least 3 occasions. Speak to the person's face in the photograph and thank them by saying the magic words thank you and their name. Thank you, Haley, for example. And lastly, before you go to sleep, take your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Beautiful. And thank you, thank you, thank you, Chitra, for reading so beautifully for all of us. Great. So, yes. So, what I wanted to understand, जब आप लोगों ने कल gratitude लिखा, feeling कैसी आई?
बहुत overwhelmed feel हो रहा था मैम, इतना अच्छा लग रहा था. And you tending to think more and more good things. We didn't write so much, but you were realizing कि अपने कितना negativity में चले जाते हैं कि positivity की वो भूल ही जाते हैं about each
Right.
thing.
बट लिखने के बाद फीलिंग कैसी आई? थॉट नहीं, फीलिंग कैसी आई? जब 10 ग्रैटिट्यूड लिख ली है तो कैसा लगा?
Light feel हो रहा था.
है ना? मेरा तो पहले दिन हाथ दर्द हो रहा था.
इतना लिखा आपने?
नहीं, बट लिखा ही नहीं था बहुत देर से. एक पेज प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के बियॉन्ड तो कुछ लिखते ही नहीं है. तो बट यस, बहुत लाइट फील हो रहा था. एंड ऐसा लगता है यार इतना कुछ लाइफ में अच्छा अच्छा है कि कुछ और दिखने का टाइम ही नहीं है. राइट तन्वी, हाउ डिड यू फील?
आई फेल्ट मतलब अचानक से अंदर से ऐसी खुशी है कि मैं जाके अपने हर फैमिली मेंबर को जोर से जप्पी ली. हाँ.
So cute.
यही सुनना चाह रही तन्वी, इसलिए मैं सबसे बार बार पूछ रही थी.
उसके बाद
इट इज एग्जैक्टली,
food.
है ना?
And even when I was going to sleep रात को, I found myself laying in bed and just feeling good. And I was like, मैं ना अपने grandmother से बाल अपने और थिक करूंगी. तो हमने थैंक यू हेयर करते करते सो गई.
यस, तो दो चीजें हैं जिसकी शिकायत वुमेन को तो हमेशा रहती है, निशांत शायद नहीं करता होगा. एक, मैम मेरे बाल अच्छे कर दो, ठीक है, और दूसरा, मैम एब्डोमिनल फैट कैसे जाएगा.
Absolutely.
कल आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू माई सिस्टर, वो मुझे कहती है, शी इज अ डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट, राइट, एंड अ कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट. सो शी सेड, तुम अगर कुछ अच्छे सप्लीमेंट्स हेयर के लिए यूज करते हो ना तो मुझे भी बता देना. हेयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम जिसके लिए हर कोई कुछ ना कुछ. सो गुड, थैंक यू हेयर, है ना? परफेक्ट है जी, ग्रेट. सो आर यू थ्रिल्ड टू फाइंड द स्टोन टुडे?
Of course. First thing.
Yes, so go out for a walk, find a small stone. ध्यान रखना छोटा हो, बस नोकीले एजेस ना हो कि आपके हाथ पे लगे ना वो. दैट्स द ओनली रिक्वायरमेंट. ठीक है जी. एंड देन टेक आउट 3 पिक्चर्स. अब वो पिक्चर में आप साथ में हो सकते हो उस रिलेशन के, या नहीं हो सकते, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Either you can find them on a computer so that you can keep them as screensavers for tomorrow पूरा दिन, or you can take a printout or have a hard copy of them.
One question, ma'am.
Yes.
ये relations तीन, like ये जिनके लिए आप already grateful हो या जिनके लिए you need to work on them?
जिसके नहीं, ये आपकी चॉइस है. इस रिलेशनशिप को और बड़ा करना चाह रहे हो आप,
Okay.
ठीक है, और डेप्थ में जाना चाह रहे हो. सो जनरली दिस बुक सेज, एंड अदरवाइज ऑल्सो, इफ यू हैव अ लाइफ पार्टनर, वो एक रिलेशन तो इसमें होना ही चाहिए. बिकॉज वो रिलेशन अच्छा होने से बहुत सारे अपने आप से अच्छे हो जाते हैं रिलेशंस,
ठीक है मैम.
है ना? एंड अदर देन दैट देन यू कैन चूज. दे कैन बी योर किड्स, योर पेरेंट्स, जहां आपको काम करना है फिर, है ना? तो आपने वो चुनना है उनको. ठीक है, एक फोटोग्राफ उनकी भी निकाल लेना. राइट? यस, आई होप दिस आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
बिल्कुल
Thank you
जी,
so
बिल्कुल.
much.
ठीक है, योर जर्नी बिगिंस. इट हैज ऑलरेडी बिगन. अब तो रिजल्ट आने वाले हैं. परफेक्ट है जी, डन. एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस फॉर मी? गुड. जिसका आज हमने ग्रैटिट्यूड नहीं पढ़ा है, या जो आज लेट आए थे, प्लीज कल अपनी ग्रैटिट्यूड लिस्ट लेके टाइम पर आना. हमारा स्ट्रक्चर वही रहेगा. फर्स्ट 10 मिनट्स वी विल स्पेंड ऑन लास्ट डेज एक्सरसाइज. हमको क्या लगा, आपने क्या किया, हाउ कैन वी इंप्रूव दैट, राइट? देन वी विल रीड एंड वी विल क्लोज ऑन अ हैप्पी नोट.
Doctor, I have a question.
यस.
Can we also give gratitude to all those people who are not with us anymore?
Yes, very important question. You can take gratitude to all those people who are not with us. And Manisha, thank you for asking that question. You must give gratitude. Yes. Okay? है ना? Just do keep him in your list. Very good. Perfect, Eji. Thank you. Bye bye and have a great day. And what are we going to sing in the end?
This little light of mine, let it shine.
Exactly. So he's going to sing today. This little light of mine.
This little light.
Light of mine.
Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Let it
Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
This little light of mine.
little
This
light of
little light
mine.
of mine.
Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Let it
Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
This little light of mine.
Little light of mine.
Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
वाओ, थैंक यू. एंड अगर हम ये बोलेंगे ना जोर से तो एक्चुअली ये लाइट बिल्कुल शाइन करेगी.
It's a lovely
राइट?
line, ma'am. It's a
Thank
great
you.
thing.
And this is courtesy. I will tell you the name. मैंने जिनसे सुनी and I really liked it, but it helped something open up for me here. मुझे लगा जैसे कि मैं अपने आप को ना प्यार कर रही हूँ. So I thought let me share it with you and let's make it our line for the day. Perfect,
Yes,
Eji.
ma'am.
Have
Thank
a
you.
great day and bye
You too,
bye.
ma'am.
See
Thank
you
you.
tomorrow at 6.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye, Nishant. Bye. Take care.